We all know that eating a balanced diet is crucial for our health, but with so much information out there, it can be tough to know where to start. From choosing the right foods to understanding nutritional labels, it can get overwhelming. One thing we can all agree on is the importance of protein. It's a fundamental building block of our bodies. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and so much more. It plays a critical role in maintaining muscle mass, especially as we age. In this video, we're going to break down 7 easy ways to increase your protein intake. These methods are simple, effective, and can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast trying to manage your weight or simply want to improve your overall well-being, these tips will help you effortlessly up your protein game. You'll find that making small adjustments can lead to significant health benefits. Remember, small changes can make a big difference, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, let's dive in and start this journey towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Let's talk about why it's so important to include protein with every meal. Protein is an essential macronutrient that plays a crucial role in building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting overall health. When you eat protein, your body breaks it down into amino acids, the building blocks for muscle growth and repair. These amino acids are then used to repair and build new muscle fibers, especially after physical activities like exercise. Studies have shown that distributing your protein intake evenly throughout the day is more beneficial than consuming a large amount at once. This approach helps maintain a steady supply of amino acids in your bloodstream, which is essential for continuous muscle repair and growth. This means that having a source of protein with breakfast, lunch, and dinner is key to maximizing its benefits. Including protein in every meal ensures that your body has the necessary nutrients to function optimally throughout the day. Think of it this way, you're constantly using protein throughout the day, so you need to replenish your body's supply regularly. Whether you're working out, working at your desk, or even sleeping, your body is always in need of protein for various functions. By incorporating protein into each meal, you'll stay fuller for longer, stabilize your blood sugar levels, and provide your body with a steady stream of amino acids for optimal function. This can also help in managing weight, as protein-rich meals tend to be more satisfying and reduce the likelihood of overeating. Remember, it's not just about how much protein you eat, but also when you eat it. Timing your protein intake can make a significant difference in how your body utilizes it. So, make it a habit to include a portion of protein on your plate at every meal. Whether it's eggs for breakfast, chicken for lunch, or tofu for dinner, ensure that your meals are balanced and protein-rich to support your overall health and well-being. Let's be real, who doesn't love a good cheese board? It's the perfect centerpiece for any gathering, offering a delightful array of flavors and textures. But did you know that cheese is not only delicious but also a fantastic source of protein? It's a versatile ingredient that can fit into almost any meal. Whether it's cheddar, mozzarella, or even cottage cheese, incorporating cheese into your diet is a simple and enjoyable way to increase your protein intake. Each type of cheese brings its own unique taste and nutritional benefits. 1 ounce of cheddar cheese, for example, packs around 7 grams of protein, making it a satisfying and convenient snack. It's perfect for those midday cravings or as a quick addition to your meals. Cheese is also rich in calcium, which is essential for strong bones and teeth. Just 1 serving can help you meet your daily calcium needs. So next time you're looking for a protein boost, reach for a piece of cheese. It's an easy and tasty way to enhance your diet. Add it to your sandwiches, salads, or simply enjoy it on its own. Cheese can elevate any dish, making it more flavorful and satisfying. Your taste buds and your body will thank you, so go ahead, indulge in the power of cheese and enjoy all the benefits it has to offer. Let's face it, cereal might be quick and easy, but it's not doing your body any favors. Swapping out your morning bowl of cereal for eggs is one of the best things you can do for your health and your protein intake. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with high-quality protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. 1 large egg contains around 6 grams of protein, making it a perfect way to start your day feeling full and energized. Studies have shown that people who eat eggs for breakfast feel more satisfied and consume fewer calories throughout the day compared to those who eat cereal. So, ditch the sugary cereal and embrace the power of eggs. Your body will thank you for it. Looking for a simple and delicious way to add more protein to your diet? Look no further than almonds. These crunchy nuts are packed with protein, fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants, making them a nutritional powerhouse. Just a quarter cup of almonds provides around 8 grams of protein, making them a satisfying and convenient snack. Sprinkle some chopped almonds on your yogurt, salads, or oatmeal for an extra boost of protein and crunch. You can also enjoy them as a snack on the go. Almonds are incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet, so go nuts and enjoy the benefits. If you're a fan of yogurt, it's time to make the switch to Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is not only thicker and creamier than regular yogurt, but it's also a protein powerhouse. A typical 6-ounce serving of Greek yogurt packs a whopping 17 grams of protein compared to just 9 grams in regular yogurt. That's almost double the protein. Greek yogurt is also lower in carbohydrates and sugar than regular yogurt, making it a healthier choice overall. Enjoy it plain, add it to smoothies, or use it as a base for dips and sauces. Greek yogurt is a versatile and delicious way to boost your protein intake and improve your overall health. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is key. That's where protein shakes come in. Protein shakes are a quick and easy way to increase your protein intake, especially after a workout or when you're short on time. They're also highly customizable, allowing you to adjust the ingredients and flavors to your liking. Studies have shown that protein shakes can be just as effective as whole food sources of protein when it comes to building muscle and aiding in recovery. Whether you prefer whey protein, soy protein, or a plant-based alternative, there's a protein powder out there for everyone. Just add your favorite milk or water, some fruits or vegetables, and blend your way to a protein-packed treat. Snacking can be a slippery slope, but it doesn't have to be. By making smart choices, you can turn your snacks into opportunities to boost your protein intake and keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. Instead of reaching for sugary processed snacks, opt for protein-rich alternatives. A handful of nuts, a hard-boiled egg, or a small container of Greek yogurt are all excellent options. These snacks will provide your body with the nutrients it needs to stay satisfied and energized until your next meal. Remember, it's all about making small, sustainable changes that fit into your lifestyle. So there you have it, 7 easy ways to increase your protein intake. Remember, incorporating more protein into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. Start by implementing these simple tips and gradually increase your intake over time. Your body will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And be sure to leave a comment below letting me know which tip you're most excited to try.